Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss Cauchy's theorem for circular disc. In the last video, we are discussing Cauchy's theorem for a triangular. So, in the same manner, you can learn yourself Cauchy's theorem for rectangular. So, let us see what is Cauchy's theorem for circular disc. So, statement is if f of z is analytic in the open disk D and defined by modulus of z minus z naught is less than r, then we have to prove integral over c f of z dz is equals to 0 for every closed curve c in D. So this is the statement. So let us see the proof. So construct one circle. In this circle we have to construct one rectangle. Okay, so let us see the explanation. Let O be the center. See, this is O. Let O be the center with Z naught is equals to X naught plus IY naught and Phi be any point. So this is the point B. So Z is equals to X plus IY. So inside the circle C. Now we define one function, this f of z is equals to integral over sigma f of z dz. Here sigma is consists of horizontal segments of OA. See, this is horizontal segments OA from x naught y naught to x comma y naught. Okay, and the vertical segment AP, this is the vertical segment AP. So this is horizontal segment OA. So from this equation 1, so you can write f of z is equals to integral OAP f of z dz. So this can be also written as integral from OA f of z dz plus integral from AP f of z dz. Okay, so now take z is equals to t plus I y naught. See here, on OA y is constant is equals to y naught and x varies from x naught to x. So we said z is equals to t plus I y naught for this integral. So the limit of integration is x naught to x and z is equals to t plus I y naught. So differentiate this z, we get dz dt on OA. So similarly write for AP. Then we know this Cauchy's theorem for rectangle. So integral over f of z along the boundary OA PBO is must vanishes. Vanishes means 0. So according to that, the integral f of z along OAP and OBP are the same. So f of z it can also be defined as f of z integral over OBP f of z dz. This is equals to integral OB f of z dz plus integral BP f of z dz. So similarly, so this is equals to I into y naught to y f of x naught plus it into dt plus x naught to x f of t plus iv dt. So taking I, this is equation 3. So for this integral take z is equals to what, x naught plus I t. Okay, now from equation 2 we conclude that, see, this is equation 2. So this is equation 2. From equation 2 we conclude that dou f by dou y is equals to I into f of x plus iy. So take f of x plus I is z, so I into f of z. So similarly dou f by dou x is this. So this implies dou f by dou x plus I into dou f by dou y is equal to 0. So this is equation 4. If I am taking in particular f of z is u plus iv, so in equation 4 becomes what happens, so 0 is equals to dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x plus I into dou u by dou y plus I into dou v by dou y. Okay, so here multiply I inside for this, then we can write dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou y plus I into dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou y. So this implies dou u by dou x minus dou v by dou y is equals to 0, and also dou u by dou y plus dou v by dou x is also 0. So this implies dou u by dou x is equals to dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou y is equals to minus dou u by dou x. So remember, we know the CR equations are satisfied. CR equations means Cauchy-Riemann's equations are satisfied by this f of z. So since dou f by dou x is small f of z and dou f by dou y is I into f of z. Since remember this f of z is analytic and also it is continuous and also the four partial derivatives are exists, they exist. So these things you should remember. Hence f of z is u plus iv is analytic in the region D. Hence for the analytic function f of z in the disk, modulus of z minus z naught is less than or, therefore there exists another one analytic function f of z. There exists another analytic function f of z in the disk such that f dash of z is equals to f of z. So hence for any closed curve C in D, so they are similar. Therefore integral over C f of z dz is equals to 0. So hence the theorem is proved. So this is the Cauchy's theorem for circular disk.